Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the phone app and tapping voicemail. This immediately shows whether visual voicemail is active. If your carrier asks, create a voicemail password to secure access. Tap Setup Now and follow prompts to record a greeting, speak clearly and state your name. Once done, press Save so the iPhone stores the greeting locally and with the carrier. This ensures callers hear a customized message and that your mailbox is protected from unauthorized access. Once your greeting is saved, you'll see incoming voicemails listed with timestamps and caller ID. Play any message by tapping it, and use the speaker button for hands-free listening. Make sure to use the call back, share, or delete icons to act on each message. Sharing sends the audio file via messages or mail. If you need to manage multiple messages, tap Edit to select several and mark them Read, Delete, or Undelete. This keeps your mailbox organized and prevents missed follow-ups. To finish, check Settings Phone Change Voicemail Password if you want tighter security, and confirm your greeting is active in the Voicemail tab. If visual voicemail doesn't appear, contact your carrier because it relies on a carrier service. Alternatively, reset network settings in Settings General to clear glitches. Make sure cellular data is on for some carriers. If things still fail, call your carrier's support to reset your mailbox from their end. They can re-enable visual voicemail for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.